Merry Christmas! Okay, mag-open tayo ng box ngayon. Ng mga, ay, box. Unboxing tayo ng mga Christmas gift. This one from Sis Lina sa BCBP. Thank you, Sis Lina. Wow. Ayan. Mat? Karang mat?
Looks like a pillow.
It's like a mat.
Looks like a pillow.
Or picnic mat? Or picnic one siguro. Naku, saan?
Picnic mat, eh?
Masin.
Yung pindro.
Ayun, nataat na po na kayo.
Hindi man yung pindro.
Spread naman siya. Full. Mura siya picnic mat siguro. Ay, parang picnic mat sa po. Ay! Buak!
Wala na po. Ah,
Unsa na ako
wala
na
pa
buak?
gani. Buwak na.
No,
Kinsa na?
no, this is from 2024.
Last year?
Gani.
Eh,
This is new.
I think this is picnic mat sa mukha ni mga mata.
Babe.
Thank you, Mrs. Lina. This one, pinsan eh. This is from Ate. Thank you, Ate. Merry Christmas. Wow! Tumbler. Ay! Sabi namin ni Mami, tumbler.
That's a runner, right?
Ito ni pag-open. Ito. May free juice. Thank you, Ate. Okay, next. Ay, ano sa maniki? Open na to niyan. Kay Ate Data
Tata.
from BCBB. Merry Christmas. Saan ni sabon? Parang sabon. Soap, Ate. Soap. Thank you, Ate. Kuya. Okay, next. Saan ni? From London. Imo ni aton? Imo ni?
Yeah.
Did you choose this?
Yeah.
Did you choose this or mommy chose it?
You have to do like 3 laps.
3 rounds?
You have to take 3 laps to do a
3 laps in the mall?
Yeah.
Wow! Social si ato nagtatag Steve Maren. Ang sabi sun? Wow!
That's wallet.
Wallet. Nay money?
No,
Oh, nay money?
it can fit your new card though.
Walay money ato?
You can fit your card.
You didn't put money here?
Your card daw.
You didn't put the money? Oh, you still the price up. You didn't get the price?
Boy, dang.
Yes, may wallet na. Pero ang problema, walang pera. Ang ilagay na lang yung problema, pera. Thank you, Toton. Okay. Next. Saan lang yan lang. Open natin to.
Kana.
Brother Steve and Eden. Merry Christmas. Thank you very much. Sana all, daming gift. Chocolate! Pero collection. Aton! Chocolate.
He does
Pero
not care because it is new.
he doesn't care.
He likes the new book roll.
Thank you. Sis Eden and Brother Steve. From Dennis and Arlene and Gubaton family. From Ronald and Ruth. From Sis Ruth and Brother Ronald. Thank you very much. Marami pa pala ito. Meron pa ba yung mga ano? Wow! Saucer. Saucer, ha? Mga saucer natin yan.
Ha?
Saucer? Meron tayong mga saucer. Thank you very much. Isa pa.
That was the bag.
Kamadayin ko siya, oh. Kamadayin.
One
Ang wine ba?
from...
Kana pa, oh.
Sorry?
Kana usa, oh. Nasa, oh.
This one?
Kana, oh.
So this is from, I think, Sis Ever, di ba? Yeah. Merry Christmas, Gubaton family. Densyo and Arlene. Thank you, Sis Everlyn. From DCBP. Merry Christmas. Wow! Nivea. Nivea na ko ani, Nivea.
Nibiya.
Nivea na ta ani, pero kitagaan man ta ani, di ta mo biya. Salamat Sis Everlyn.
Kapag daw sa, oh.
Sis Ever. Unsa pa? Kani.
Kana sa, kuwan.
Any wine. Price man ako di. Tadang!
Sa mga wine.
Pantini. Panti daw. Pantini wine. Insa man ni Pantini. Na price ni sa game. Ako ni dawat sa price as
Open the other
price
wine.
sa game.
Sa company ninyo na,
Oh,
sa
the
wine.
wine.
Wala. Nag-wine sa company.
Sa company nasa rep ng wine.
How about the other wine?
Napausa ka,
From
wine
our
mo.
company, the Ison Chocolate.
The other wine.
Other wine. Yeah, napay other wine from. This is from Okol family. This is Marian and Brother
Sa
Joseph.
unang nga wine.
Okol family.
Open the wine.
Do not open until December 25. Oh, tama. 25 na ngayon. Pili na i-open. Yung nindot ko kayo sudlan na, no?
Isa na nga wine. Pantini.
Inis
so big.
killing. Inis killing.
Iniski.
Inis killing.
Isa na mga wine.
Wala ta kaya mga wine good. Salamat Sis Marian and Brother Joseph and family. Merry Christmas.
Itong usa pa.
Merry Christmas. Asa pa?
Itong jam.
Gani? Jam? Isa lagi ka na?
Sugar.
Oh, from Brother Boyet and Sis Sugar from BCBP. Salamat.
Jam.
It's a blueberry Christmas jam.
Hold on.
From Philippines pa siguro mo. Dili. Parts. Thank you. Merry
Ito. Isa
Christmas.
pa.
This one.
One.
One vanilla. I think it's soap. Hand soap, right? This is from ilang Brother Don and Sis Eds. BCBP. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Another one. Kanigin sa mali. Kanji palit. from Walmart. This one is from from Brother Philip and Sis Ellen. From the Abalos family. Okay, open natin. Unbox. Unbox natin yan. Wait, lata oh. Mamahalin to naman. Okay, from Brother Philip ba ya? Buting yan natin yan sa Waterloo. Shout out lang kay Brother Philip. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas. And Sis Ellen. Avalos family. Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. Biscuit?
Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Ano naman ni Harry Potter? Pero
Alam. Harry Potter ang
Inside.
brand.
what's
Motive.
inside? Biscuit?
Maybe. It's not a
That is a Slytherin.
it's not a food. It's a stuffy.
40 bugs.
Huh?
Tea bugs.
Tea bags. Oh, tea.
Ano? Tea bugs. 40 tea bugs.
Tea. Hindi na siya. Okay, kung mahupas. Tea bags. Thank you. Pati na today ka niya. Tea na tayo.
What this one?
Napa?
This one.
This one? This one, hindi obvious unsay soda ni. Mga biscuit siguro ni joke.
Oh, biscuit eh.
Joke lang. This is from Brother Jong and Sis May and family from Galang family. Thank you very much. Kuha ni siya ba?
Biscuit.
Dili. Swing kit.
Sisingit.
Ang pantahi. Suwing kita magtahi isod. So, thank you very much. Merry Christmas.
Anak?
Ito. Wala na. Kani mga giveaway. This one, the last one. From mommy. From mommy. Mommy. The last but not the least. Grabe mga gift. Pakyaw mga gift. Wow.
Mommy really like this one.
Wow. Wow. Nude. Ay, yun sa jacket. Social. Salamat. Malay kwartasod.
Oh my gosh.
Yes,
Stretch
yes,
is
yes.
looking for more.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, mami. Mayroon ako pong bagong jacket. Okay, that's all.
Formal lang ang jacket.
Yeah, that's all. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone.
Bye.
Please don't forget to subscribe. Click
Like.
and click that button below. Bye. Peace.